Imagine this. You're out with friends, enjoying a delicious meal. The conversation is flowing, laughter fills the air, and you're feeling good. The check arrives, and as you casually glance at the total, your jaw drops. It's significantly higher than you expected. What happened? Did they add something you didn't order? No, the culprit is a familiar foe: taxes. Just like that unexpected bill, taxes can sneak up on you if you're not careful. But here's the good news. Unlike that dinner bill, you have the power to control your taxes and potentially even get a bigger refund. It's all about understanding the rules of the game and using them to your advantage. Think of it as leveling up your personal finance skills. Are you ready to become a tax-savvy ninja? Trivia time. Did you know that the United States implemented income tax in 1861 to finance the Civil War? It was initially a flat 3% tax on incomes above $800, a hefty sum back then. But here's the thing. Understanding taxes doesn't have to be as daunting as deciphering ancient scrolls. It's about knowing what deductions you qualify for and how to claim them effectively. It's about planning ahead and making smart financial decisions throughout the year, not just during tax season. Let's demystify tax deductions, shall we? In simple terms, they are expenses you can legally subtract from your taxable income, reducing the amount you owe in taxes. Think of them as secret passages in a maze, leading you towards a bigger refund. But navigating these passages requires a bit of knowledge. There are two main types of deductions: standard and itemized. The standard deduction is a fixed amount set by the government, while itemized deductions allow you to list specific expenses. Choosing the right one depends on your individual circumstances and can make a significant difference in your tax liability. Imagine you're building a house. The standard deduction is like a prefabricated room, convenient but not always the perfect fit. Itemized deductions, on the other hand, are like custom-built rooms, tailored to your specific needs and potentially offering more space, or in this case, a lower tax bill. But how do you know which deductions you qualify for? That's where things get interesting. From student loan interest to medical expenses, charitable contributions to homeownership costs, the possibilities are vast and often overlooked. It's like finding hidden treasures in your financial life. Tax season shouldn't feel like a frantic last-minute scramble. Instead, adopt a proactive approach by planning year-round. Think of it as training for a marathon rather than sprinting towards the finish line. By making small, strategic moves throughout the year, you can significantly impact your tax outcome. Start by keeping meticulous records of your income and expenses. This might seem tedious, but trust me, it pays off. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting apps, or good old-fashioned pen and paper, whatever works best for you. The key is to have all your financial ducks in a row when tax season rolls around. Next, consider adjusting your tax withholding. If you received a large refund last year, you might be having too much tax withheld from your paycheck. By adjusting your W-4 form, you can increase your take-home pay throughout the year and put that money to work sooner. Remember, tax planning is a continuous process, not a one-time event. By staying organized, informed, and proactive, you'll be well equipped to tackle tax season with confidence and potentially even increase your refund. Section 4. Maximizing your returns, smart deductions. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of maximizing your tax deductions. Remember those hidden treasures we talked about? It's time to unearth them. One often overlooked area is above-the-line deductions, which reduce your adjusted gross income and can lead to even greater savings. For instance, if you're a student or paying off student loans, you might be eligible for the student loan interest deduction. This deduction can lower your tax bill by up to $2,500, putting more money back in your pocket. Similarly, contributions to traditional IRAs and health savings accounts can also lower your AGI, reducing your tax burden. Don't forget about itemized deductions. If you're a homeowner, you can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and even insurance premiums. Medical expenses exceeding a certain percentage of your AGI are also deductible, as are charitable contributions. Remember, tax laws are constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest changes. The IRS website is a valuable resource offering comprehensive information and helpful tools. You can also consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific situation. Section 5. The Freelancer's Advantage: Embracing Self-Employment Taxes. For freelancers and self-employed individuals, tax season can seem like navigating a labyrinth blindfolded. The world of self-employment taxes, with its estimated payments and quarterly filings, can feel overwhelming. But fear not, intrepid entrepreneurs. With a little knowledge and preparation, you can conquer this beast and potentially even come out ahead. One of the biggest adjustments for freelancers is understanding self-employment tax. Unlike traditional employees who have taxes withheld from their paychecks, self-employed individuals are responsible for paying both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. This can feel like a significant financial burden, but it also comes with unique advantages. The beauty of self-employment lies in the vast array of deductible expenses available. From home office expenses and business travel to professional development and health insurance premiums, the list is extensive. By meticulously tracking your business expenses and taking advantage of every eligible deduction, you can significantly reduce your tax liability and boost your bottom line. Remember, as a freelancer, you're not just working for yourself, you're also running a business. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and view tax planning as an opportunity to optimize your finances and achieve financial freedom. Section 6. Side Hustle. Superpower. Turning hobbies into deductions. Who says hobbies can't be profitable? If you're passionate about photography, crafting, or any other side hustle, you might be surprised to learn that you can potentially deduct related expenses on your tax return. Yes, you read that right. Turning your passion into a profitable venture while enjoying tax benefits is like having your cake and eating it too. The key is to treat your side hustle like a legitimate business. This means keeping accurate records of income and expenses, just as you would for your primary job. It also means ensuring that your side hustle meets the IRS definition of a business, which typically involves making a profit for at least 3 out of 5 consecutive years. Now let's talk deductions. Depending on your side hustle, you might be eligible to deduct expenses such as equipment purchases, marketing costs, travel expenses, and even a portion of your home internet and phone bills. The possibilities are vast, but it's crucial to ensure that your deductions are legitimate and well documented. Remember, turning your hobby into a deductible side hustle requires more than just wishful thinking. It demands dedication, organization, and a solid understanding of tax regulations. But with the right approach, you can turn your passion into a source of income and enjoy tax benefits while you're at it. Section 7. Unlock your financial potential. Subscribe for more. Congratulations! You've just completed a crash course in mastering tax season and maximizing your refunds. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of personal finance knowledge out there waiting to empower you to achieve your financial goals. From negotiating salaries and investing like a pro, to automating your finances and building a secure financial future, the possibilities are endless. Are you ready to take control of your money and unlock your full financial potential? Sign up for our free newsletter and gain access to exclusive content, actionable tips, and personalized advice to help you navigate the exciting world of personal finance. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it a reality.